I received this wireless doorbell from Sadotech and it works awesomely. It comes with a receiver and a transmitter, as well as nails and anchors and a sticker too. Now it's very simple to assemble. All you have to do is use the sticker, stick it on, and then attach it to your wall, or you can also use the screws and anchors provided. Now, it's very simple to use. It already comes with the batteries included, and all you have to do is plug this into an outlet. Simple as that. And it also has 4 different volume controls and 50 chimes. Actually 52, I believe. All you have to do is plug it in, and then it's simple as that. You're good to go. And this is the factory setting, but you can always change the different sounds. Now, I'm just going to go through a sample set. We're not going to go through all 50. So you can pick whichever one that you want for your home. And you see how it has different noise levels? It has 4 different sound levels. That's the low, medium, mediumer, and high. And simple as that. So this is really great to use. Say you have already a doorbell, but it started malfunctioning or it's hardwired. And this is just so easy to use because all you have to do is plug it and there you go. Here's a close-up of what the transmitter looks like. This is a close-up of what the receiver looks like. Another nice feature is it does light up, so you're able to see it as well. And here are the buttons. This bottom one is to change the music, and the top one is so you can change the volume on it. And all you have to do is plug it in and you're good to go. So simple and easy to use. What's really nice about this, it comes in a variety of colors. This is in black, and it also has a long range for use, from 600 feet all the way up to 1,000 feet in an open space. And this is also great to use maybe in your backyard too, or maybe at your mailbox. So wherever you want to put it, as long as it's about 600 feet or less, you're good to go. Definitely recommend it. Thank you, Sadotech, for sending this to me. Absolutely love it. And thank you, everybody, for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.